So we have this number two and three questions. A tire, a tire factory produces this number of tires in one day. That is 6,348 tires in one day. How many tires will the factory produce in 460 days? So if one day 6,000 plus, then 2 days will be times 2, 10 days will be times 10, and 460 days will be times 460. So for number 2, we have 460 times 6348. So for the line this up, we have um, 4, not 460 first, the bigger number put at the top. So I have 6,348 times 460. So this is going to give me three layers of multiplication. So 0 times 8 is 0, 0 times 4, and 0 times 3, and 0 times 6. All of them, I started at the units because this is unit tens, hundred, and thousands. So I'm I'm to tens now. So any answer I get will start from under the tens. So 6 times 8 is 48. So 8 I keep 4. Then 6 times 4 is 24. 24 plus 4, that is 28. I keep 2. 6 times 3 is 18 plus 2, that's 20. I keep 2. And 6 times 6 is 36 plus 2, that is 38. Then for the next level, I have 4 times 8, that's 32. I write 2, I keep 3. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 3, that's 19. I keep 1. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1, that's 13. I keep 1. And 4 times 6 is 24 plus 1, that's 25. And to the last, okay, that's the last layer. So we have to add up all of this now. So to add up, because there are empty spaces there, we just fill them up with nothing, 0. So this drop down to 0, this drop down to 8, this drop down to 0, because that's 10, then another 0, making 10, then 11 plus 1 will bring you, that's 12, then this is 8 plus 1, that's 9, and this is 2. So the total cost of these is going to be, this is this and this. So dollars, oh, not dollars this time around, it's the number of tires we're looking for. So tires in 460 days. So let's check your answer. 2 920 080 2 920. You didn't get 2 920. Hmm? For that number 2, maybe you made some mistakes, okay? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
So, can you figure out what your mistake was? Like, let's check it again. Oh, is it this one now? Not this. Is this number 2? 0 times all of them give me 0, right? Right?
Yeah.
Then 8 times, 6 times 8 is 48. I write 8, I keep 4. Then 6 times 4 is 24 plus 4, that's 28. I keep 2. Then 6 times 3 is 18 plus 2, that's 20. I write 0, keep 2 again. Then 6 times 6 is 36 plus 2, that's 38. Did you get 38? 0, 8, 8. Let me see. No, you didn't get that. Okay? Mhm. Then the next level, or still the next level, we have 4 times 8 is 32. I write 2. Okay. Is that
Yeah.
okay? I keep 3.
Yeah.
Then 4 times 4 is 16 plus the 3, that's 19. I write 9. I keep 1. Then 4 times 3 is what? That's 12 plus this 1, that's 13. I keep 1 again. And 4 times 6 is 24 plus the 1, that's what? 25. Okay. Then 0, then this is 8, then this is 0, and this is we it's supposed to be 9, but because we're bringing 1, that is 10. 0, then 11, because that 1 is 12. Then this is 8, 9. Is this clear to you?
Mhm.
Is this clear to you?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so let's look at the third one. The third one said the cost of a flat is this amount of money, 4,218,000. If there are 36 similar flats in a building, how much money will be collected by selling all of the flats? Yeah, that's going to be a lot of money. Let's try to calculate it because the amount of one is already in million. Okay, is that clear?
Yeah.
So the amount of the everything is going to be. Let's see what this is going to be. The cost of one flat is this. If there are two flats, you multiply this by 2. If there are 10 flats, you multiply this by 10. But there are 36 flats, so we're going to multiply this by 36. Okay,
Okay.
so we have 4,218,000 times 36. So here we're going to have two layers of multiplication. Two layers of multiplication. So we will this out. The first layer, 6 times 0, 6 times 0, 6 times 0, 6 times 8 is 48. You keep 4. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 4, that's 10. You keep 1. And 6 times 2 is 12 plus 1, that's 13. You keep 1. 6 times 4 is 24 plus 1, that's 25. So this is the first layer of the multiplication. And the second layer, 3 times 0. Let's see. So 3 times 0 give me 0. I start on that, then 3. Then 3 times 0 again, 3 times 0 again, 3 times 8. 3 times 8 is what? Israel.
Right. Uh, 24.
24. So I write 4. Keep 2. Then 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2, that's 5. 3 times 2, 6. And 3 times 4 is what? 12.
Uh, 12.
Yeah, so I'm going to add up these 2 layers of multiplication, and trying to add them up means you drop a 0 here. So this is 0, 0, 0, 8, 4, 8, 11. Keep 1, then this is 5, this is 1. So how do you pronounce this amount of dollars, amount of money? Yes, how do you pronounce this, Israel?
Let me see. One. 1 million. Like 1,518,000. Four. No. No. Uh,
You know what to do. I think I
wait, I
should.
got it. I got it.
Okay.
151 million
Mm-hmm.
848
Thousand. Because
thousand.
I've shown you before. What you need to do is to count 3 digits. This is thousand. This is million. Okay.
Okay.
So that is, if we were to write this in Word, to say 100. Check that in writing so you can see. Yeah. So 151,848,000 848 hundred and 48,000. Okay, is that clear?
Yeah.
So I'll give you some time to put down the correction to the two questions. Then I'm gonna give you assignment.